Yeah, this is gonna be our first time making this one, right?
If you want to make this, just follow the ingredients in this video.
Nice. Okay, let's show everybody what we have. We have some powder Guar Gum, Activator, baking soda, food coloring, a strainer, a measuring cup, a whisk, and a bowl with half of water maybe, and a spatula.
Yeah, spatula so we can mix up.
Okay, let's get into it. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. What is that? 1/4
cup Guar Gum powder.
Uh-oh.
No, it's like concrete powder.
That's too much. Yeah, push it all down.
No, it's like so soft when you feel it. It's kind of dump it.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it is. It does look really soft. Okay.
It looks so hard, but it's actually really soft.
Let me hold this right here. Grab it on right. Yeah. Okay, there we go. So you're gonna use the strainer to softly, here you go. Just softly put in, there we go. Go ahead, pineapple juice, start mixing it. Yeah, because then it gets really globby. Keep going, yeah. And you mix till all the lumps are out. Keep going, that looks good. Does it feel like it's getting thick?
Yep, it's getting real thick.
Does it? Yeah. Keep going, just keep mixing till all the globs are out.
Okay.
There we go, keep going, keep going.
It's really thick now.
Is it? Keep going.
Yeah. Can I try to do it? No.
Uh-oh, yeah, keep using
yeah, it's getting it, look! Wait, can I try?
Yeah, let your brother try it, pineapple.
Yo! He's so thick.
Is it?
I know how it feels like. The inside of a Skittle.
Just keep whisking, keep whisking.
I brought in a little food with me. Wait, what? Okay, I don't know how that's gonna work.
Yeah, just a little. Yeah, keep doing that and just stir it in. So we mix in all the Guar Gum. And it's all blended nicely. Keep mixing, yeah.
Yo, it's like a tornado. Oh, look at the bubbles.
There we go, you're doing good. Keep mixing.
The color too, it smells awful.
It does, doesn't it? It smells a little yucky. Just keep mixing. Mix it as much as possible with our mixer. And now, yeah, there's still a little bit of chunks, but we're gonna strain it. Okay, J-Mac, go ahead and strain it here. Slowly, because it's thick. Stop. Stop. Okay, there it goes. And then use the whisk here and whisk it through.
I'll whisk it.
Yeah.
Okay, whisk it.
Whisk it. Yeah, whisk it. Yeah, so it all goes through. There we go, yeah. There we go, keep whisking it so all of it. Let me see, maybe we should try the little spatula.
Yeah, try the spatula. Okay.
Yeah, go like this. So all of it goes through. Here. Yeah. And then all the, yep, keep doing that.
Wow.
Okay, so we're gonna pour all of this into here and we'll show you right now.
1 eternity later.
Now that we're all done mixing and straining the Guar Gum, look at how it looks. Let's see if we can see it through here. Yes, it actually looks very jelly-like, huh?
Yep. Yeah, it's like jelly.
Okay, let's add the rest of the ingredients, which is a little bit of baking soda and our activator.
More?
Yeah, I think you have to add a little more. There we go. That's good. Yep. And then our activator, you pop it up. Pop it up. There we go. Yeah.
And I have this. You see what this is?
What is that?
This is a little bit of almond scent.
Almond scent, yeah, because you know what? This Gora, does it smell good?
No.
Okay, put a little bit of,
Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so sticky.
That's good, honey. Okay.
Okay, mix it.
Mix it and, oh, your food coloring, J-Mac.
Oh yeah, the food coloring.
Can you smell it?
I don't know how it's, yeah, I smell it. It's like same time. I don't know why.
Yeah, you can have like 5 drops or
3,
2.
4, 5.
Nice. Okay. Let's mix. Oh, I smell it. No, it does smell good.
Yeah, it smells good. It smells like peaches in those little cups.
Wait, but you put almond.
Oh yeah, it smells like what is it called? Yo,
Mix it.
Look,
Mix it. Mix it. Oh, let's see. We want to see if it starts turning into slime. Oh, it is. Keep mixing it.
Okay, I'll hold the bowl. Okay.
Yes.
It's orange.
Keep mixing. Let me add a little bit more activator. Keep mixing.
It's orange instead of yellow. Oh, now it's yellow.
Let's see. Keep mixing. Keep mixing.
Come on, just mix. Yeah, like mix. Mix with the whisk.
No, that's good. Okay, I think you're mixing
Okay,
it.
Mom, I think I mixed it enough.
Okay, do you want to? Oh, you want to jump it? Let's see.
Wait, okay.
Oh my goodness, look it! It did do it!
Oh,
Pull it out of there! Pull it out of the bowl!
I'll try.
Pull it!
Look!
Honey, pull it out of here, J-Mac! Clean it out of the bowl. Take it out of here. Yeah. Oh my goodness!
It's body.
What? Oh, look at this!
Look! It's wobbly and jiggly.
Oh wow, this is like...
And it doesn't leave marks.
No, look it!
That's why I told you that.
Look, wow, this is like really...
Okay, I'm gonna try to put it to a blob.
Put it together?
Yeah, let's try to put it together, J-Mac. Put it. Okay.
Oh
Okay,
my
bury my
goodness.
hand, J-Mac. Bury it.
Wow. Look at this.
Hey, I'm gonna bury it.
Look at all this. Okay guys, what do you guys think about this one?
Right, but the only thing that's wrong about this slime is the smell. Yeah, like...
It smelled pretty harsh, right, when we were mixing it. We did add a little bit of almond scent to it, but I don't think we added enough.
I know.
But overall, look, this slime came out perfect. Look at how cool it is.
I know.
The only problem with this one as well is what?
It's very time consuming.
Yeah, it took a long time to make, right? It was pretty difficult. If you're doing it for the first time. It was.
It's really worth it.
Next time, you know what? When we make it, we'll add a really, really nice scent, like maybe strawberry or a bubblegum scent.
Oh yeah,
The bubblegum, right? Okay, guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give us a
like
and subscribe. Love.